right. Have a good evening and see you tomorrow, Eric. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Before I go, the VE9 Charlie Foxtrot station was 15 over 9 here, 15 over 9. 7-3, good night, guys. Bye-bye.
Yeah, VE9C, you have to take it. Go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, you're 5 and 9. 5 and 9 into New Brunswick. Victor Ocean was 5 and 9 as well. And I know my friend Uncle Gunter is on DK5ONV. Delta Kilo 5 Alpha number Victor. I wonder if he can copy, over.
QSL, a very good evening, a very good afternoon, Stuart. Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. This is your friend Gunther, DK5ONV/portable. I got you 57 to 58 with me, Stuart. How you keeping, over?
Yeah, good evening, Gunther. I can just see you in there with a 3x3. 3x3, Gunther. 3x3, over.
Yeah, QSL, the 3x3. I take the 3x3. This is a new band for us, Stuart. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great weekend. 7-3.
Yeah. Let me take it away. We have a few more, Stuart. And I'm Hannes, by the way, Hotel Alpha, November, Echo Sierra. Hannes.